Okay, so I gotta make this video for myself right now. Right now I'm using 1-800 Accountant, and they have a software, and then they have a CPA or an accountant that looks over my bookkeeping. And so I have a bookkeeper that uh, inputs receipts, create my invoices, and those are the two main things that she does, and kind of oversees some things for me, um, and customer follow-ups as well. But that system is not really working just as well as I want it. So I know, I don't think I am going to get rid of him. I already put the email in. It's really bad. The reviews show that they were good, but once you dive in deeper and look into it, they are bad. I have not used them for a total of, I haven't used them for a whole entire month yet, and it's been bad. My accountant that spoke with me on the phone and got a feel for me, and I got a feel for him as well. It went okay. It went okay, but it didn't go that well because this guy was a fast talker, and I'm a fast talker too, but not. You could tell like a what is it, like a fast talker salesman, if you say. Um, he would he didn't necessarily cut me off on my words, but he would keep talking and talking. He would talk so much that I couldn't even get a word in. And then when I could get a word in, I can't remember what I said, what I had to say, because he was talking so much, giving me so much information. Where he'll say one thing, and then I would be thinking on that, and then I would forget my question. So I think that was a tactic, but I don't know. So I'm getting rid of them. I also use their bookkeeping system, the program. I've been trying to figure out how to import my receipts, and it's just been difficult. I even got a receipt scanner. I mean, it's right behind this camera right here. You can't see it right now, but I even went to as far as getting a receipt scanner so I can make it easier for my bookkeeper to I can just hand my receipts, because in my vehicle I just put my receipts in my glove compartment or my middle console in a section on its own, and then I bring them into the office right here, and then she just feeds this machine, and it comes up on the screen very nicely and everything. It's beautiful, simple. But the problem is we can't put it in the portal, as they call it, the portal, because we can't find where to put the receipts. It don't say anywhere download receipts or anything like that. So I've been trying to play around with it a little bit and try to figure it out. Now, I do like the invoicing. The invoicing is simple and great and easy to use. So we can make invoices for our customers. But the other thing, I was able to set up my banking account in there. That was pretty easy, but I don't know how to itemize it in there, so I really don't want to deal with that. My bookkeeper will handle that, but there is no training videos or anything. So my accountant can't even learn. I mean, my bookkeeper can't even learn how to do it. She would have to call in and talk to them, and they explain over the phone, I guess. But that's, that's a little too much. It's just hard for us to, or hard for me to call them. And I don't want my bookkeeper to have to deal with all that, calling them and trying to figure it all out. It should be simple to use. I should be able to figure it out, and I explain it to my bookkeeper. That's how I feel, because I need to know how to use it too. You know what I mean? So if I don't know how to use something, I think I shouldn't have. I shouldn't put it on somebody else. I mean, you can outsource it, but my bookkeeper, I don't know how to say it. that's not the type of bookkeeper I have to just try to learn how to use their system. Um, so I don't know. That's all I have to say. So I am going to call Anderson Legal Business and Tax Advisors, and see what they can do for me. And then I'm going to use QuickBooks for sure, and use their monthly services. We'll probably pay for the entire year because you save a lot more when you use the entire year. Um, Anderson, you have to pay up front. I forgot how much it costs up front, but it's over $1,000 or 1,000 plus. So it's about $1,500, but don't quote me on that. And it's well worth it. I think it's well worth it. I know a lot of people think that it's a bad idea, but y'all don't know what's going on, so I can't. Oh, almost lost y'all. So I might be going with them if I can get my money back from 1-800-accountant. I will be going with Anderson. So there it is there. Y'all have a good night. That's my rant for the night. Peace.